Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to draw Hello Kitty. So we have to portion the body and the face according to this match. And we're going to start with a circle. So first, draw a circle over here, like this. And then draw the ribbons next to the circle. Draw the other side of the ribbon too. After that, draw two little half circles inside the ribbon. Next, we're going to draw the ear connecting from here to here. So just follow along. And now we're going to draw the other side of the head by drawing a dashed line in the middle like this. After that, we're going to draw the other side of the ear to the top and then coming down. After that, we're going to draw the face. So for the face, it's going to go one round in one circle like this. Match it to the other side, connecting from here. And we're going to have them connect to each other in the middle. Now we have the head done. We are going to draw a dashed line over here. And we're going to draw 3 whiskers. One long, one short, and one more long one. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. One long, one short, and another long one. After that, let's draw 2 eyes. One round eye, and color them later, one on the other side. And then we're going to draw her nose in the middle. Now let's color the eyes. Make them a bit more circular. Do the same thing on the other side. Next, we're going to do the body. For the body, let's draw a circle first. Evenly match. And then we're going to draw a line in the middle. Somewhere over here. This should be the middle of her legs. And we're going to connect this side all the way down to the legs. I'm going to do the same thing from this side, all the way down to her legs. Next, we're going to do 2 lines over here, connecting her pants. And then we're going to do the arms. Do a little dash down. Do the same thing on this side. Draw her thumb. And then the rest of her hands. After that, we're going to draw one line. And we're going to draw the other line on the other side. And here we go. We're done with the basic drawing of Hello Kitty. All we're going to do next is just color her in, and that's it. You can make her eyes smaller if you want. Let's do some coloring for her ribbon. Her nose. Inside is blue.